Hello guys, this is I'm a Pet Dog, and I'm here with my little brother Thunder, which is really his name is Mr. Jaws Babe. It's supposed to be Mr. John's Babe, but I made him an account when I was in first grade and I ended up typing the wrong thing. He is so happy because you sent him horse music. Oops, I forgot the C. I mean, I didn't type it. Me. Smiley face, smiley face. Let's do an adventure. Oh, you have a blue slingshot? Need to go down here so he doesn't see. Hold on. Oops, sorry about that. Hold on. Okay, I'm back. Sorry, he asked me what a phantom portal. Let's do the phantom portal. Come on, where are you? Here you are. Come on, let's do hard. The phantom portal hard. Play. Yiffy! Wow, Thunder keeps asking me. Thunder, Thunder. Come on, Corky, Corky, Corks! Yes! Oh, here's one. Awesome. Run, run, run! Jump! I'm in. Yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, 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 yeah! Yiffee! Awesome. Sorry if you heard that. I was just seeing if, well, first of all, I took off my headphones, which, hold on. Well, I took off my headphones and said, awesome! And see if the volume went off to see if they heard my voice. Help, 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 help! I'm alive. I'm alive! I'm alive, I'm alive, I'm alive. Help, 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 help. Yes. Yes, I'm recording. No, not nose, please, especially with a girl. That would just be awkward. Ah, help! I only have 1 life left. See, look down here. 1 life. Ah, help, help, over. Ah! Another phantom! And I'm sleeping. Can't you sleep? Come on, Cork. Just come to me. I don't like going to you. Wait, why can't the Corks just grow legs and eyes but not arms, because that would just look weird. But why can't, well, actually don't grow legs and don't have eyes. I just want them to, like, say it's right here. Hop, hop, hop until they find an animal. Then pick up, then they have to find the pipe. And the pipes can't really move because they're attached to the river. They need to keep the river dirty. Yes, the phantoms are annoying. Ah! Oh, that was a close one. I'm going to start making more Sky High videos because 360 enjoys those. My very first sub. I saw. Help, help, help! Hang on. Help. Ah, no! Oh, I have full life. Now I only have 1 life. It says up here that I have 2, but down here it's actually the true, and I only have 1 life left. 1. Tail in your face. Oh, dang it. Yeah, tail in your face. It's okay. I don't care. I wish I could change animals. Help. No. Dang it. Dropped it. Now. Dang it. Oh, did you see on the side the river turned black? Ah, help. And I'm so happy. I traded my blue one for raspberry bow. The jammer accepted. Now I've been trying for weeks to get a blue one back, and ta-da, I got it. Thanks, you're a friend / buddy in the annual gym game. Thank you. You are too. Oh, there's still another pipe to plug. Come on. Here we go! Peace. Ah! Wait, why are you smiling? Because I've fallen a deep sleep and you made it across? Or what? Yay! You found it. Well, found one, at least. Because there's 2 more. Not just 1. I found the very last one. Wait, does she have a cork? Over here. Over here. Over here. Wait, where? Hey, I can escape. Don't worry. I can escape from here. It's really easy because the phantom does not see me. And if it did, there's tall grass right there. I found some pipes. I know where they are. I probably spelled where wrong. Make it mixed up with W. Here, look. WHERE and WERE. I know where they are. Come over here. Over. Over. Ah. Just checking. Boom. Oh yeah. Help. 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 I just ran around in circles instead of going to the tall grass because I don't really care. Yes. Yeah. Ah! What? Ah! That was help. That's so rage? Or is it range? I don't know. I wonder what Thunder's doing. Help. Help. Yes. BTW means by the way. Okay, your tag here. Or your name tag, because I don't even see your name tag. Sorry, I'm talking a lot. No, I like to talk. So, it's okay. Ah, help. Help. Run! Or sling or something. Help. Ooh, I found it. Help. I don't want to drop this cork. I made it. Yes. My time is almost up. I wish I could record as long as I want, but you have to pay money for to do that. I used the free version. Yiffy! I made 100 and something videos, 107 videos, 108 videos, 109 videos, or something. It's one of those. Are you trying to find the other one? Or I found it. Help me! I only have 2 lives left. Oh, do a part 2. Okay. I'll do a part 2 of this video. Whoa! Did I just find a passage? Now how much gems? 100. Good. I don't think I noticed that before. Ha! Help! I forgot we're not looking for corks anymore. Whoa! Help! I am the best. I am the best. Uh-oh. Help! Oh, come on. How am I the best? Am I the best because I'm really good at this adventure? Am I the best because... Well, as a buddy, you're nice. Okay. You're nice too. You're nice too. Until that one part happened about the headdress. And I might be slow because 2 of my arrow keys broke. Oh. You can use the mouse and click where